Hey friend, thanks for tuning in today to my channel. I'm Octavia Klein. If this is your first time checking me out on YouTube, and for those of you who have come back, welcome back and thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to save music or a soundbite for a reel in Instagram. So you know when you're like scrolling through Instagram and there's somebody with a really awesome song or a really awesome soundbite and you're like, oh, I want to make a video from that. I mean, it's really hard to search for it. But today I'm going to show you on Instagram how to save that sound for a reel that you want to do in the future. So today we're going to do that. So if you are somebody who is totally new to doing reels and really needs like this step-by-step instruction, this is definitely the video for you. So go ahead and watch through. And if you're somebody who wants to learn more about apps and things like that that are going to help you make your reels look amazing, you can grab my free guide below on all of the apps that I use to create reels in. Okay, so let's get started with this. So basically, you're going to go ahead and open up the Instagram app on your phone. So you don't want to be on your profile page. Right now I'm on my profile page. I want to click this little house on the bottom left. That's going to be your home page. And in here you've got all kinds of different videos from friends, from people you're following, right? And basically, if you wanted to save somebody, so we'll go ahead and go to this chick right here, Social Wickery. I like her a lot. And you could save her video by hitting this little flag at the bottom, but you can't really save the music. What you need to do is go ahead and hit the whole, like just tap the screen to get the entire reel up. And then down at the bottom right, there's like a little square button with a music icon on it. You just click there and then you'll see all the other people who have used this in their reel. And you can either use this audio right now. So if you click use audio, it's gonna jump right into you creating a reel, right? But I don't wanna do that. I'm gonna click the X out. What I wanna do is save it for another day. So when you're scrolling, it's a really great way to make use of your scrolling time. So if you find yourself scrolling, make use of it and save some sound bites or music for reels that you can do later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this little flag here at the top right, and now I've saved that into my audio. So I'm going to show you this. Now I can click out, and I'm going to click out of here. I'm going to push the plus sign on the bottom, and I'm going to hit reel to create a new reel. So I'm going to take this picture of myself, and I'm going to hit next. I'm going to hit the audio at the top, which is this little music icon. And right here at the top on the right, you'll see that little flag again where you saved it before. That little flag is all of your saved sound bites and music. So I can save that one that I just had, and then I can use it in this video. So that's super cool to be able to do that. And what I like to do personally is I like to really plan my reels around the audio or the sound bite. So I'll go back through some of the things that I've saved, and I'll create myself like a little script or a little, you know, kind of a shot list that I want to do for that soundbite or for that music. So that's a really great way to plan your reels, is to actually find the music sound bites that you want and then plan your footage, or either your video or your photos around those sound bites. So I hope you found this really helpful today. Don't forget to hit that like button down there. Subscribe if you want to see more from me. And again, if you want to keep in touch, grab one of my freebie guides below. I have so many free guides below on the video equipment that I use, my setup in here. I also have a free guide on how to brand yourself in social media and many more. So check those out in the comments box below. There's some links for you, and I'll see you in the next video.